Children, welcome back to our chapter number 12, Climate and Season. And children, this is the second part of our video. So, do you remember what we have seen in the last chapter? We have seen about the season of India, we have seen about summer. And the things we are going to learn today will be the different seasons of India. That means today we'll see about monsoon, autumn, winter, and spring. So let's start with the monsoon season. Children, monsoon or the rainy season begins in many parts of India by the end of June. Yes, we all know that after the summer vacation gets over in May month, there starts the monsoon season at the in the June month. Most of the regions receive heavy rainfall during the season, right? There are many places in India which receives heavy rainfall during this season. Some gets flooded, some gets heavy rainfall. So this is the month of joy. Rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, and Godavari are filled with water. Children, have you ever noticed the Tapi River on the bridge of Surat? Yes, how it gets in summer season, it gets dry, it gets very narrow, and no water is visible. But when you go through the same river in the monsoon season, when you see in the same river in monsoon, it is filled up with water and it looks so lushy green, right? In the same way, rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, and Godavari, they are filled up with water. They look very children. Some rivers also cause flood in the states of Assam, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Tripura. That means when the river gets over with water, they get flood in many states of India like Pura and rain in growing crops such as rice and jute, right? Occupation like agriculture is mainly dependent on rainfall, and farmers are also dependent on rainfall. So there are many crops which grows with the rainfall very fastly, like rice and jute. They help farmers to grow the crops. Now we'll see our next season, that is the autumn season. Autumn is experienced in some parts of India in the month of September and October. This season marks the end of monsoon and beginning of winter. Okay, so when the monsoon gets over in the month of June, July, August, and September, end of September nearly there is less rainfall, and then it starts the autumn season. And after the autumn season is for the 1 month, that is beginning when the beginning of winter season is there, autumn season gets over, so it's for nearly for 1 month when the monsoon ends and winter begins. The temperature during this season is pleasant. Pleasant means neither too hot, not too cold, no too rainfall, right? So it's like moderate season and it's very pleasant to look around, to roam around, and it's very beautiful season. Now next is winter season. Winter is almost favorite season of each and every person, right? Because we get new fruits, we enjoy this season, and winter coldness is very beautiful, right? So let's see about winter season in India in November and last till March. The days are cold and many places receive snowfall. You can see in the chart that many places are like 2.4 degree, 2.6 degree, which receives snowfall in this season. In the northern part of India, cold wind blows through the day and many places are covered with the dense fog. Means this North India means Himalayan side, Himalayan region, they experience snowfall heavily and cold winds blow through that places, and it is very much difficult to see over through. Means it's so much fog is there that we cannot see many places. Some places like Shimla, Srinagar, Ladakh, which lie in the northern mountains, receives heavy snowfall during winter. If you have ever visited Manali or Shimla, they experiences the heavy snowfall because in the winter season these places lies in the northern mountains which are very nearer to the poles, so they receive heavy snowfall during winter. Now, in the western part of India, the sky is mostly clear during the day, but it gets very cold at night. Now, western part means we can take Rajasthan. Now, in the Rajasthan during this season, if you in this month also, if you go in December or in January during the winter season in Rajasthan, then you will experience very much cold at night, and the sky is almost clear at the day, means you will not experience so much hotness or so much coldness. It's clear day, but at night it is very very cold. In the southern part of India, many places receive rainfall in winters. Children, do you remember that during the month of November in Surat also we experience rainfall, right? So in the same way, there are many parts of India in south which receives the rainfall in winter. At that time, temperature is neither very cold nor very hot, and it is again a moderate type of climate. Now, last season is spring season. We all have heard about spring season, but do you know what happens in this season? So, let's see. This is spring season, and it comes after winter around March and lasts until April. Means when winter gets over after February, and when it going to be start, like hotness is going to be start in summer season, will be going to start in around April. So 1 month of that is March month, February ending or March month, we experience spring season. The temperature is pleasant during the season, means it is neither too hot nor too cold. Most of the trees and plants bear new types of fruits and flowers in this season. Means in autumn season, many trees shed their leaves. Right? Shedding of the leaves means khali ho jate hai. Leaves get fall. There is leaf fall in the many places. But in spring season, there are new different types of fruits, flowers, and new trees grows, new flowers grows, and it looks very beautiful. So children, that's all about your chapter. Here we complete the chapter. In the next video we'll start with the new chapter. But as always, try to read this chapter from students book and cover all the points. Children, till the next video, everyone take care of yourself. Bye bye.